Hello there, this is a video how to replace your resistor for your heater. Basically when the heater only works on number 4, and this is a Volkswagen Transporter T5 replacement. So what you're going to need is a Torx 15, if you can see it just there without the light. There you go, Torx 15. You got this is the passenger seat. You got one screw there and another one here. So you want to remove both of them. There's one out. And next you want to get a flathead. Pop the side out. It comes out quite easily. Once that's off, you see you got another Torx just here. I shall show you again the passenger side so you know exactly where you are. So remove this Torx, and then once you have that one off, just these covers here, undo your little screw here. This lifts off your fuse box. You got another small screw head, Torx head here, and one more here. And then if you thought that was it, it's not. You need to take these two panels off here, which again is use your small flathead screwdriver and pop. They come out with just after you've popped the bottom of the flathead. That should just lift off. There you go, quite easily. Same with the other one. Oh, a bit too easy. And then we've got another screw here. I'm hoping that's it. And then this whole unit here can come out then. That final one is off. That's, by the way, the part in there. That's the man we want. So this should pop away. Should be a few little. Once you have both of them out, which are actually, like I said, 5.5 sockets that you need, which are an absolute pain in the arse. And there we have it. That's the old one, and that's the new one. Bit of a difference, just a small bit. Right, can stick that in and connect. That's the new one in, all bolted. Let's connect. There we go. Right, let's do a quick check. Turn the ignition on. Fan 1, fan 2, fan 3, fan 4. Just something I've realised after taking all this panel off. If you had the right tools and tiny little hands, you probably could do it through here, and by going underneath here. But yeah, I wasn't going to chance it.